Austin, and today we're going to be learning about using else if. Go use if and else if to toggle a switch or collect a gem. Again, try running the puzzle a few times and you'll find that switches, gems both appear in random places. To figure out whether to toggle a switch or collect a gem, use an if statement to check on the possible condition and else if block to check the other. Example: if is on close switch, toggle switch. Else if is on gem, collect gem. The new is on gem condition will help determine whether your character is on a gem. 1. Move the first randomized tile, then add an if statement. In your code, tap the word if and then tap add else if statement. To add else if block. 3. Enter code to toggle the switch open if on a close switch and collect gem if on gem. Repeat for the second tile. So this code is also going to be pretty long. So first we will do a for, because we have to do this, and then we have to do a for and 2. First code we're going to do is move forward. After this, we'll do an if statement. I'm going to say is on close switch, or you could say is on gem and then do the opposite. I'll do it is on close switch, toggle switch, else if is on gem, collect the gem. Now this code is like the last code I did, except we're just to do it else if, not like just the if. Now I'm gonna run the code, see if Byte does it right. This one's also pretty confusing because it usually changes. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and also leave a like. Bye!